Hello, friends. I'm construction worker Carl, and I've got some super cool tools to show you. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Let's go. We're going to meet my helpful buddies who help me build amazing things. First up, we have the Happy Hammer. Look at its shiny head and strong handle. The hammer goes tap, tap, tap. Can you tap along with me? Tap, tap, tap. Yay! The hammer helps us push nails into wood to build strong things. Now, let's meet the silly screwdriver. It has a special tip that fits into screws. Watch how it turns round and round. Can you spin with me? Spin with me? Spin, spin, spin. Hooray! The screwdriver helps us tighten screws to keep things together. Let's sing the hammer and screwdriver song. Hammer goes tap, tap, tap. Screwdriver goes spin, spin, spin. Building together. Oh, what fun! Hammer and screwdriver. Everyone. Great job, friends. Next, we have the super saw. It has teeth like a smile, but we're very careful with it. The saw goes back and forth to cut wood. Let's pretend to saw. Can you move your arms back and forth? Swish, swish, swish. Fantastic. The saw helps us cut wood into the right shapes for building. Last but not least, here's the marvelous measuring tape. It stretches out long and rolls back up fast. Watch it go. Zoom in. Can you stretch your arms out wide and then hug yourself? That's like our measuring tape. Yay. It helps us measure things to make sure they're the right size. Wow, friends, we learned about so many cool tools today. Can you remember them all? We have the Happy Hammer, the silly screwdriver, the super saw, and the marvelous measuring tape. Let's say goodbye with our tool time dance. Wave your hands like a hammer, spin like a screwdriver, sway like a saw, stretch like a tape. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.